Umnyango wezokumbiwa phansi nezamandla uthi intengo kapetroli izokhuphuka ngo-43 cent litha, udizili wona uzokwenyuka ngo-55 cent litha, uparafini nawo uzokwenyuka ngo-55 cent litha, bese kuthi igas yenyuke ngo-44 cent kilogram. Imbangela lokwenyuka kwentengo yithemba lokuthi isimo somnotho sizosimama emhlabeni kulandela ukukhiqizwa kwemigomo ethembisayo yokulwa negciwane i-COVID-19. Ongoti bathi amanani abezokwenyuka kakhulu kunalokhu kusize ukusimama kakhulu kwi-randi uma liqhathaniswa nedola muva nje.
The new January petrol price will still be 8.5% lower than that of January 2020 and 11.5% lower in the case of diesel. So if seen in that light, in fact, fuel prices are exerting a downward pressure on the cost of living rather than an upward pressure at the moment.
uJamin uthi likhulu ithemba lokuthi abanini izimoto angeke bashayeke kakhulu kulonyaka.
There is as yet no reason for consumers to panic about an erosion, a major erosion in their cost of living. Things could naturally change significantly should the rand depreciate sharply back to levels of 17, 18, 19 to the dollar as that we saw in April and May last year. Were that to be repeated, then we could see substantially more fuel price hikes. But in all probability, depreciation in the rand of that order would also go hand in hand with a increase in pessimism regarding global economic prospects, and that would probably go hand in hand with a fall in the price of oil.
Amandla erandi asathe ukwehla muva nje ngenxa yokukhathazeka okukhona maya nokubhebhetheka kakhulu kwegciwane i-COVID-19 muva nje. Irandi libiza u-14.91 rand kwidola laseMelika njengamanje. Bongani Mutsho, SABC eGoli.